Hey everyone, I'm Jess, and today I'm here at one of DC's most iconic cultural hubs, the Kennedy Center. You might be familiar with the Kennedy Center for featuring outstanding musicals, but there's so much more to do here than just seeing a show. Whether you're into art, music, food, or film, there's something here for everyone. Let's go check it out. First up, I'm heading to the Reach, one of the newer additions to the Kennedy Center, designed to feel open, modern, and interactive, making the Kennedy Center one of the nation's most inspiring and interactive arts and cultural hubs where everyone truly belongs.
The scope of the Reach is endless. You can relax on the grass and picnic with friends, catch artists practicing their crafts, or rent the space for events. Sometimes I even stop here on a longer run or bike ride to take in the incredible views. And most people don't know that it's free to the public to use and open until midnight every night. Next up is dinner with a view at the Roof Terrace restaurant. This hidden gem is the perfect add-on to seeing a performance at the Kennedy Center. Tonight, I'm trying the summer solstice cocktail and the steak frites. From the incredible ambiance to the excellent food, it's a stop that you don't want to miss. After your dining experience, step out onto the wide open space of the Kennedy Center rooftop. It's always open and free to visit, even if you aren't at a Kennedy Center event. As a photographer myself, I can assure you this is an amazing spot for a photo session. Now we're stepping into something truly special. A night at the ballet will leave you speechless and itching to come back for the next rotating performance. And to end the night, we're back at the Reach for an outdoor movie under the stars. It's free, fun, and the ultimate summer vibe. Bring a blanket, some snacks, and invite your friends to join you for a casual night at the Kennedy Center. Yes, you don't always have to be dressed to the nines for a Kennedy Center evening. I always love spending time at the Kennedy Center, so whatever type of experience you're looking for, the Kennedy Center has something unforgettable waiting for you. Come see for yourself.